Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add variations to your product in ShopUp. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So what you can do is you can just head over to the products page of your Shopify. This is because Shopify and ShopUp are connected and ShopUp is just official application of your Shopify store. So as you can see right here, I have here some products. So what we can do is we can just head over and then go to our actual product that we want to actually restore. So I have this product right here. So as you can see, I have this pricing and all these things that we have right here. So for example, for now, let's put in here an actual location in here. So as you can see, this is what it will look like. If you want to actually add in here a variation, what you can do is you can see in here the variants. So just click on this variants right here, click on this plus icon, and you can put in here option names. For example, let's put in here option for size. Let's put in here a value for small, then add another value for medium, and also another value for large, as well as XL right here. Click on done once you're done adding everything, and you can also add in here another option. This can be color. So for example, let's put in here white. And then let's put in here black, blue, and green for the next one. So once you're done, just head over, click on done. After that, save your product. Once you have saved this, as you can see, it will save your progress. Now let's click on this review right here in order to see what it will look like on our actual store. So this is product. You can choose the size that you want for this one. Totally depends on you. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.